windshield on.
Nope.
I'm ready to go see the windshield wiper. I mean, not the windshield wiper. You know what I mean? Bloody hell.
Yeah. He's like, we shorten everything. I'm like, he's like, what's your name? Al. That's perfect.
Okay, you would just be Al. Yes.
Yeah.
Is this it? The pee your pants kind of section?
Maybe.
Good thing I emptied my bladder.
Good thing.
Whoa! Hold your pants on, people. This is a bumpy ride.
Yep.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh! Oh my gosh. I
Shouldn't expect that.
Oh god. Ugh. Look.
What? What? That's babyish.
Okay. Oh! You're like a rodeo horse. Whoa!
Yeah.
Whoa! Actually, why did I not think of this earlier?
Woohoo!
I feel like I'm on a bucket horse. Woo! Your dash cam is gonna think that your passenger is like some crazy person.
Brand spanking new.
Rubicon, just like yours.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Pretty slick Jeep.
Hey, thanks.
Fuck, they're nice, eh?
Yeah, I can't complain.
Did you have one before?
Yeah,
Any what model?
JK
Okay.
15.
Nice.
Ooh.
That's why they have skid plates.
Ooh.
Perfect. Nice. Wow.
How do you get up there from here?
You climb it.
Ooh.
Wow.
Go that way. No.
I could, but I'm just looking.
It doesn't look so bad that way. I don't know. I don't know the ability of your thing. Oh boy.
What?
Oh boy.
Oh boy.
Oh boy.
Oh boy.
Oh boy. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, that's pretty crazy.
Oh.
What are you scared?
Ugh.
What?
Can I get out?
No.
Uh.
Oh, shitting myself.
Save that one.
Let's just try to go up on the left here. Might.
That's what I said.
No, here.
Oh jeez.
Calm down.
Okay. Oh.
Okay, we went a little too far on the right. I just got to try to go left because my bumper is going to hit.
I'm just gonna shart my pants. You're right here. Oh! Frig! Oh my gosh.
Okay, now let's get out and look at it. This part's pretty hairy though.
Oh jeez. Oh my gosh.
What?
Oh.
Oh,
I
relax.
think this is why I do things on my feet. I'm just.
Oh, there's another
Oh,
another
it's not so
tombstone.
bad if I close my eyes.
There's another tombstone up here.
Oh my gosh, I don't need to see this. Don't tell me these stories while I'm in your car.
Oh, it's okay.
Oh,
It's just when you get to the top and you can't see over the other side, then
Oh
you're
my
like,
gosh.
oh my gosh.
oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Okay, stop mocking me.
I'm kidding. There. Welcome to the top of the world. You should have phone reception here.